छोटू भाई गेम में रात सच्चे होता बंदा कदे बंदा तेरे तान माना ते चार बच्चा बंदा all right, so let's understand what's going on here. What's going on here under the hood? All right, so let's check out what is going on here under the hood. How it is working. All right, let's fill. Okay, the main piece of your code is state save of your data count, that is number. Initial state is a state, and then state reducer pure function that takes state and action and returns a new state. Dispatch function React gives you to tell it, I want to update the state using my reducer. I want to update the state using my reducer. Okay, use reducer hooked at. Okay, what happens when your component first runs? Calls your reducer function because it's rendering it. It says this internally stores initial state in the special memory slot for this component, creates a dispatch function that when called will run state reducer. Okay, this will run triggers a re-render, returns state this and dispatch this one. Okay, this will return state and dispatch. After the first render, this dispatch function, okay, so dispatch function has the count that is 0. All right, that's the previous count. All right, now what happens when you call dispatch? When you call dispatch, this type value this 5, then through the update step this and update queue, नारा दे गई करा मेरे पाई मैंने सुटे ने नो चढ़ी सी गई यारा मेरे. Okay, schedule a re-render and React says this component render again. On re-render calls the hook, the previous state is 0, action is this state reducer return count 5. React update the state to 5 and re-render component with this. Okay, so what's happening basically, when I click this button with +5, okay, it runs this one. Okay, it runs this one. Okay, and then when it runs this one, it comes here and it will return the previous state, and this the previous state was 0, that was logging here. All right, and then count is action and then value. So action value is, what is the action value? This is the action, and the value is state is 0. 0 plus 5, 5. That means 5. So, so, so now this value returns a state. Now it is 5. All right, all right, all right, all right. जान करबो ना आज का मैं संजल जान करबो मैं
पीछे को जतो
संजल जान करबो थर्ड के लिए
तो ठीक है
राइट
हां
खेल से करबो
लगाबो आना तो गाइड टाइम तो कत হই গেল দেখছিস না
Okay. Now use context. All right. So the use context is technique of passing data down the component tree without having the pass props through components. It is used by creating a provider component is often by creating a hook to consume the value of the child component. All right, we know it. We have already read this. The type of value provided by the context is inferred from the value passed from the create context call. Okay, so basically we have these hooks from React, and then we have the theme light dark and system. The theme context is okay, so we are creating the context which is theme context and type of theme, and then we are use get theme is use context and then theme. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. ఓ పై మెను సుట్టె నేను చಳಿ సిగి यारा मेरे लोकालई पर के खचारा मेरे चार चिचना चियो हो 11 देने 11 मेरे लता कया ने कया स्टूडियो गैंगस्टर टैप में पादेसी गोली बजी पाई नहीं स्नैप में पट्टियां दिखा के लोग की देनी अटैच मेरी आवाज यकीन थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल बैच में सिंगिंग मेरा पता नहीं ਉਹਦਾ ਸੱਚ ਉਹਦਾ ਕਦੇ ਮੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਾਣਾ ਤੇ ਵਿਚਾਰਾ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਫਕਾਫ ਫੋਟੋ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਚ ਬੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿੰਗਿੰਗ ਮੇਰਾ ਧੰਦਾ come on man Java happening here? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? It says executed JavaScript ah, and then cannot use import statement outside a module. Yes, something with this JavaScript thing. Let's figure it out. Let's figure it out. Okay, I got you, my man. So basically, TS config is in here. JS module, TypeScript 27, React. Yes, next module. Yes, next. Reservation period. No check. This. Okay, so as I see the JavaScript as this import one. This one. Let it go, let it go.